Yeah, so this is how you maintain the battery lifespan of your iPhone for a long period of time. So if you're interested, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share it to a friend as well. So before you begin, you need to check the battery health of your iPhone before you change the settings. So you know the number it was before you start doing these settings and later monitor it over time to see if it's actually worked. So the first thing I'll talk about is stop using the mobile data option on your phone. Make sure you get the Wi-Fi or you get a second phone that offers a hotspot to your phone. So you use Wi-Fi to prevent overheating and help keep the battery lifespan and also help the battery life. The battery life is the number of time your battery takes before it drains to 20 or maybe it goes to low. The battery lifespan is actually the number of months or days your battery takes before it needs to be replaced by a repair or an Apple authorized agent. So the second thing you need to do is make sure you don't charge your phone with a laptop whilst the laptop is off. Always make sure the laptop is on while the phone is plugged in so the laptop doesn't pull the power from your battery, thereby causing damages to your battery lifespan and the battery health. So the last but not the least, make sure you head over to your phone settings and change these settings. Scroll to your downloaded apps and choose any app. Make sure you turn off the background app refresh on all the downloaded apps on your phone. What this setting does is it always keeps the app running whenever it's not in use. So let's say you just open it and you quit the app and you went on to open another application. Since this setting is on, the app will always work and load stuffs whilst it's not open. So anytime you open it, it works fast. Though it's a cool feature, but it doesn't help the battery life of your phone. And the last but not least, the last thing you need to do is make sure you always upgrade to the latest iOS on your phone. So go to the settings, go to software updates and check if there's any updates and update it as it fixes bugs and other issues with your phone and always help keep your battery health and your battery lifespan. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you again.